Hello guys, if you want to automate boring mouse and keyboard tasks without writing a code, the TinyTask app is a free, ultra-lightweight macro recorder that can help, and here's how to use it. So firstly, let us of course download the application. Just type in TinyTask on Google, then press on download or go to the homepage, doesn't matter, and of course grab the latest version. So just choose the download button right here, and now let us install it. Oh, I assume it doesn't even need installation. Great. So as you can see, guys, this is our little app. So you can record, save, play. You can also go to the preferences. And of course, after you create your tasks, write your repetitive automation actions, you can set the play speed. As you can see, we have also the hotkeys that you can use to basically make it more simple and operate everything with your mouse and keyboard. So you can hit the recording or press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R to start recording your actions. For example, mouse movements, clicks, typing, every stroke captured. And when done, you just press record, which is this button right over here. And of course, start recording. After you record it, you can just press on save and name the .rec, which is the recording file, in any name you want. And to replay it, you can click play, right? So this is our play after recording our commands or basically actions. And you can basically test it and see how it's being done. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can automate tasks like file renaming as well, web form filling, simple data entry, or even repetitive clicks in games. So that's how to use this little tiny app. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you want more such tutorials about productivity hacks, of course subscribe and like the video. See you soon, guys.